Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Today we're diving into the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1, the ultimate cooking solution that truly does it all. Imagine replacing your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, food warmer, and sterilizer with just one sleek appliance. This incredible multi-cooker makes meal prep easier and faster than ever. Perfect for busy individuals and families looking for efficiency. With 15 smart, customizable programs, from soup to cake, you get perfect results every single time, even if you're a beginner cook. Its durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot ensures healthy cooking and effortless cleanup, a huge plus for any home chef. If you're searching for the best pressure cooker or a genuine kitchen upgrade for 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely worth considering. Stop juggling multiple appliances and simplify your life. You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus directly through the Amazon link in the description below. Don't miss out on transforming your cooking experience. Click that link to see current pricing and availability. Seriously, for versatility, convenience, and delicious meals, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is our top recommendation for your kitchen.